Alright, so Microsoft has decided to bring Xbox Game Pass to streaming devices now, which means if you have Amazon Firestick, you should be able to play games on your TV without a console, which sounds amazing. First, you need to get the Xbox app from the Amazon App Store. The Xbox app is only available for download on Amazon Fire Stick 4K devices because of its higher processing power than the rest of the Fire Sticks in the lineup. I'm using the Fire Stick Lite here and I sideloaded the Xbox app to get it to work. You can do the same by following online tutorials. The gaming experience on the non-4K devices might be a bit laggy because of weaker hardware, but for the most part it runs just fine. After the Xbox app is installed on the Fire Stick, fire it up, log in using your Microsoft account and pair your controller. You can use Xbox controller, PlayStation DualShock 4 or 5 or Amazon Luna controllers. So here we get the first look at the Xbox Cloud Gaming dashboard. Every game that you play is going to be streamed, so nothing is going to be installed locally. As you can see, it has a big catalog of games to choose from. Let's play the Lies of P for now. This is actually pretty playable apart from a bit of input lag, which is kinda expected from cloud gaming. That's a great gaming experience in my opinion. I think this idea of Microsoft to bring Xbox Game Pass to streaming devices is a great one to bring in more players to the Xbox ecosystem. If you have Xbox and you're going somewhere, you can take your controllers now and leave the console behind. Plus, you can already play cloud games on your phone and laptop, so streaming devices is just a nice addition. And if you don't have a console, then this is a very appealing choice. It is even available on some Samsung TVs that come with the Xbox app pre-installed. I think Game Pass is going to be a serious competition to Nvidia Shield and Amazon Luna, both of which has handful selection of games compared to the huge library of games on Game Pass. So that's been it for Xbox Game Pass on Amazon Fire Stick. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below.